back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, I will say subscribe and like our videos. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money by working. You can work 1,000 steps a day and actually earn from that. Actually, how we're going to do this? Let's go straight to the video. Just go to your Play Store and download this app called Work Club. This app is going to count your step. It's going to count your step and actually pay you daily. Right, so it's installing right now. Okay, here is it. Open the app and you actually register. Yeah, so you just have to click the sign up button. Okay, your email, your phone number, your name, and your password. You have to set a password here. You have to verify this to show you are not a robot. So just write this word in this little box here. I think that's what it is. Okay, success. So that's to allow it to go to your notification. Okay. So this is it. Once you are done with all your registration, you'll be brought to this particular dashboard here. So what you are going to do next is to tap on, you are seeing buy more here at this top left corner of the screen. Buy more. So just tap on see more. Okay, I'm going to show you scan to claim. Scan your face to claim your face sneaker. Just tap on scan now. I'm going to like take a little video photo of your selfie of you. Just click allow. Okay. Okay, I'm done with the face recognition now. It's just verifying. Okay, yeah, it's completed. Click on done. Congratulations, your first pair of shoes was valid. Okay, so now you got a new pair of shoes, and this shoe is valid for 35 days. So these 35 days are days which you can make money and get rewarded, and also withdraw your funds. Alright, so here you are here. Okay, so you have level 1 and level 1. Here's the referral code. Maybe you want to refer a friend, and you also get rewarded for referring a friend. Here's the referral code here. So I took a break and I made 2,000 steps. 2,000 steps. Alright, so from the 2,000 steps, when you have gotten 2,000 steps, you actually see this claim reward, this button here, which will be activated. I just received mine, that's why mine is not activated anymore. So What you want to do is to go tap on exchange to see your money there. You can see that with that 2,000 steps give you 0.229x. So now that x in India rupees is converted to 24.07 India rupees. You can see it there. So this app is mainly for Indians, but as time goes on, it went viral. So now it's anybody around the world can use it. So now you can tap on withdraw. You also choose your currency. Instead of India rupees, you use USDT, that is US dollar. Then you can, okay, US dollar, confirm. Then you can put your rate, your amount you want to withdraw, your USDT amount, and then your Bitcoin address also here. So once you are done, you just have to confirm it, and you see the money will be deposited right into your Bitcoin wallet. So that's it. If you want to know more about this, you can come here and here's some tutorial here. Anyone you can watch, you can get them. And that's all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and like my videos for all to get notified anytime I upload new videos.